I'm telling you, your hips, they make men go mad. You don't understand. You don't know the power you carry. If a woman wants a man, today she'll get him. You are joking. If that man does not have God, Jesus, the Holy Spirit, and Michael and Gabriel, hey, sure. If a woman desires a man, and she says, "Uyu namwangusha leo," let me tell you, better have the whole Godhead and the other heads that to watch over you, because a woman will get you. Solomon slept with 1,000 women, 1,000. He still said, "Who can know the ways of a woman?" You're deeper than you think you are. You are badder than you think you are. And so the enemy knew, if I can come in, and what do I want to do? Disrupt this union. That's all I want to do. And guess what? He's been doing that ever since. Disrupting the union of God. The image has been so crushed that now you even see men marrying men and women marrying women. The image has been so confused. It's been so hit. And who is doing this? The devil. Do not forget that the devil came to kill, to steal, and to destroy.